Aaloo Kofta Shorba or spicy meatball curry is one of our favorite Punjabi recipes. Let's see how to make it.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are yogurt 3 tablespoons, minced meat 1 pound, cilantro half cup, onion 2 medium, potato 1 medium, ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoons, caraway seed half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 2 teaspoon, tomatoes 1 medium, oil 6 tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt to taste, coriander seed powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, roasted chickpeas 2 tablespoon, green chilies 2 small. Take your mincemeat and put it in your chopper. Add half of the onions. Add roasted chickpeas. Add half of the ginger garlic paste. Add black pepper, caraway seed powder. Add salt. Red chili, I am adding 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Green chilies, half of them. Coriander leaves, half of them. And now we will grind it. Meat is chopped. Take out the mincemeat. We will make the meatballs now. Wet your hands and make small balls like this. Meatballs are ready. We will make the gravy now. Start your Instant Pot on saute mode on high heat. This is high. Add onions. Oil. I am adding half of the oil. Half I will add later. Now cook until it's golden brown. When it turns golden brown, add tomatoes and cook it for next 4 to 5 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, red chili powder, coriander seed powder, and cook it for 1 minute. Now add yogurt. Now cancel the saute mode and take out the gravy. We will grind it. Now I will puree the gravy. Start Instant Pot on saute mode on high heat. Add remaining oil. Add your puree. We will fry this puree for 5 minutes. After cooking it for 5 minutes, when you see the oil is separating, we will add koftas in it. We will cook it for next couple of minutes. Stir it very gently so the meatballs won't break. Add 2 cups of water and add your potatoes. At this point, we will add cumin seeds and green chilies and cancel the saute mode. Start pressure cook for 1 minute. Set the handle on sealing mode. 1 minute pressure is done. I will remove the pressure now. Open the lid. Kofta gravy is ready. Before serving kofta curry, add some garam masala on the top. It's about 1 teaspoon. And now we will add finely chopped fresh cilantro leaves on the top. Kofta curry is ready to serve.